Hey guys, I'm Mike with the Wandering Wolf, and this is Valle de Luna and Valle de la Animas. Hey guys, we are here at the entrance to Valle de la Luna. We're about to head down here and explore the area. As you can see behind me, this is just the start. Just from these rock formations here, what we're going to be getting into. It looks pretty exciting. Let's head on down and check it out. Valle de la Luna sits right in the heart of La Paz, Bolivia's capital city. This incredible place is made up of thousands and thousands of stone spires left behind as erosion tore away at the mountainside. So we're here at, this is Valle de la Luna, or Valley of the Moon. And these rock formations stretch on for quite a while here. And it looks like over time, the dirt and different things that might have filled this area up just been washed away, leaving these formations sticking up like spires out of the ground. It's really impressive. I bet this place is kind of eerie even at night. This location is only about 45 minutes from the center of La Paz, which makes it really convenient if you're driving. If you're staying in La Paz and you don't have transportation, there's all kinds of taxis that specifically will take you out of here. Just ask your hotel to set you up with one of those and they'll drive you out here. Some of them will wait for you and drive you back. But you want to do this and Valle de la Animas in the same day. At least I'd recommend. Do them both.
This place is absolutely incredible.
Now that we're a little bit deeper in the site, you can tell just how amazing this place is. These formations behind me are incredible. The amount of them all jammed in here together makes for a truly impressive site. This is a site you don't want to miss. It's so easy to do in La Paz, so you got to come down here and check it out. Totally worth the trip. Whew. Kind of like a little maze. There are these paths that go through the whole valley, and there's a bunch of them that go off in different directions. But from the signs, we'll tell you at the end, but from the signs it's saying the place takes about 45 minutes to walk. So keep that in mind when you're planning it out. Wow. Wow. And out here, there's a lot of named features, like the one I'm standing on, Turtle Hill. Walking through this site, it's a bit surreal. Kind of feels like you're on a different planet. Tim's back here working hard and getting all these shots for you guys. Hopefully you can see around me here just how just alien this all looks. It really does. It feels like you're walking on a different planet. It's just here, check this out. We do this stuff, son, for a living. I love it. So you can do this place in about 45 minutes. You know, that's what the sign says. If you look it up, you can walk this place in about 45 minutes. Yeah, no problem. I'd give yourself probably an hour and a half. If you want to stop, take pictures, pause, check everything out. Also, you've got a lot of ups and downs and everything here, especially if you're not used to the elevation. Give yourself a little bit more time, but just so you can take a nice leisurely stroll through the area and appreciate everything. Do about an hour and a half. I think that's about what you need to really appreciate this place. And you will appreciate this place. It's out of this world. Feels like it. So Valle de Luna has been an incredible stop on our journey. This place was absolutely amazing. Definitely check it out. Totally worth the stop. Now we're on our way to Valle de las Animas. Yeah, so this is no joke, hiking. I wouldn't recommend doing this your first couple days in country until you've got acclimated. And then, even then I can tell that you're gonna wanna give yourself quite a bit of time. This is quite a hike, and we just started not too long ago. But it's impressive. All right, guys, that was Valle de las Animas. Got it right that time. It's only about 45 minutes outside of La Paz. It's an easy drive, totally worth doing. Just keep in mind, this location is a lot of hiking, so come prepared for that. As you can see, I am pretty red. Be very liberal with your use of your sunblock and allow yourself enough time to explore this amazing place. It is absolutely incredible. We had a blast here. We hope you guys enjoyed the footage, especially from above, because we really enjoyed getting that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really appreciate your support. Remember, when you like, hit the subscribe button, interact with our channel, leave those comments. It shoots us up in the YouTube's algorithms and it helps us grow tremendously. So thank you guys for all your support. Keep watching, stay safe, have a great week.